Imagine you're on your way to Sequoia National Park with a friend who offers to drive. You head out of Tulare on 137 when suddenly you are involved in a collision and severely injured. When someone else is responsible for your injuries, they should be responsible for your recovery costs too. If another driver was at fault, of course, you file a personal injury claim with their insurance. But what if it's your own driver or some combination of both? At the Tulare offices of Maison Law, we understand how a personal injury claim can be emotionally complicated. You may not want to punish your driver for their mistake, but just see your medical costs get the coverage they deserve. Unfortunately, no matter how good your relationship with the driver, their insurance provider is not your friend. They'll fight to keep from paying out a single penny, no matter how the driver may feel. So if you or someone you love has been injured as a passenger in or around Tulare, contact Maison Law for a free consultation and let us be the ones to advocate for you. Call now.